Hello everyone, in front of me is iPhone 15 Pro Max, and let me show you how to set up Unity Wallpaper on this device. At first open the settings, then locate and enter Wallpaper and click on Add New Wallpaper. Scroll a bit lower and here you will notice Unity. So as you can see, those wallpapers, like all of them, were designed by Black creatives and allies at Apple to honor Black history and culture. Now just pick the preferred one. I would like to choose this one. Then you can customize the fonts, you can add some widgets, and then tap on Add if you want to apply it. You can set it as a wallpaper pair, or then you can customize your home screen separately. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, it is applied for both home and lock screens. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.